Good morning everyone, welcome back. Day 2 at Mitts Alloy again, but today we are doing the 12 volt system. See, this is funny thing. Pinnacles flies out. Might seem a bit overkill. Masterpiece. Got a big panel going in here. This is Dan DMF Auto Electrics. He's the man doing all the work. And we got all the Enerdrive stuff going in. So stay tuned and let's see it go in.
Well, mate, hope you start.
Well, it's all coming together. We got the big Enerdrive panel all put in, not hooked up yet and not tested. We're just waiting on a different circuit breaker, a newer, better circuit breaker that they use now. But we've got the solar panel all hooked up. How good's all this wiring coming up? Can't wait to do a full rundown on this over the coming weeks. Moving on to the engine and the spaghetti factory. Getting it all hooked up underneath. It's going to be a big night tonight for Dan. I'm going to stay here for a bit as well. And my car's actually staying here tomorrow overnight, and he's going to work on it tomorrow and get the compressor and other bits and pieces done. Yeah, well, I got to go to work, so, but in the Arvo, come pick up and see what it looks like. What do you reckon of my spaghetti factory, Dan?
It's going well, man.
Auto Sparky's dream. So we're back here at Mitts again to finish off the panel, because yeah, we were here till 8:30 last night getting it all installed, and just got a new circuit breaker that they've made to put in there. That's the old one, so they want to use the new one in it. So Dan's and Westy from Enerdrive gonna throw this in. Shouldn't take long, 15 minutes, should be done. rightio, we are all done. So I've been smashed with questions about doing a walkthrough. So over the next few weeks, after I've filled it full of camping gear, had a shakedown run. Yeah, I'll do a walkthrough. So big shout out to Dan DMF Auto Electrics for getting this done, and Westy for coming and changing that panel. But yeah, if you want to see more, make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.